Hi everyone, Ashley here. If this is your first time watching, in today's video, it's going to be another how to clean with me. I absolutely low-key, not even low-key, it's clearly high-key based on the tone of my voice, love these kind of videos. What I love about these kind of videos is that you can actually clean the rust off your metal using only one ingredient that you'll likely find in your kitchen, and it's, you guessed it, vinegar. All right, so clearly I am way too excited, but I absolutely love vinegar. It is such a great all-purpose cleaner and it's safe, especially if you've got pets and little ones in the house. So all you need for this cleaning project is some vinegar and some steel wool. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you have a spray bottle, you can go ahead and do that and actually spray the parts of the rust that you want to come off. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. I did not have a spray bottle, so I just soaked the steel wool in some vinegar and I just went ahead and started scrubbing the rust off the metal light fixture. I was amazed at how well the rust was coming off the light fixture. Now, this was my first attempt and I do have a little ways to go, but overall, I'm very happy with the progress. If you got value from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.